Hey, welcome to the video. I'm going to show you how to make these brownie cookies today. They have a shape of a cookie, but the fudginess and the flavor of a brownie. Let's get into it. Start by taking 170 grams of dark chocolate. Now cut it into small pieces. A quick tip, it's usually kind of annoying cutting chocolate, but if you do it with a serrated knife, it's slightly better because that way the small chunks don't fly away. There we go. Now put the chocolate in the bowl. Then add 85 grams of butter to it. And then we're gonna melt it in the microwave. I'm gonna put this in the microwave first for 1 minute, then take it out, stir it up, and then keep melting it in 30-second intervals until it is like fully melted. Now we're gonna take a bigger bowl and add 100 grams of white sugar. Then add 50 grams of brown sugar and a pinch of salt. Then add 2 eggs to it. And now we're gonna beat it for about 4 minutes. There we go. You can basically stop mixing when you stop feeling the sugary grain in your in the mixture. Then we're gonna add in the chocolate butter mixture. You gotta make sure that it's not too hot. That's why we set it to rest for a bit. Because if it's too hot, it kind of cooks the eggs, which is not the best thing. Then we're gonna beat it again until the mixture is combined. There we go. And then add some vanilla essence. There's no specific amount, to measure it with your heart. And then continue mixing. Now we're gonna sieve in 90 grams of flour and 2 grams of baking powder. And then 30 grams of cocoa powder. Then mix the mixture until it's all combined. Make sure not to overmix it, otherwise it gets a bit cakey and we want it to be fudgy. There we go. As you can see, the mixture is a bit more runny than usual cookie dough. So if you want it to be more firm, let it rest for a bit in the fridge. But the more you let it rest, the less shiny the top is gonna be at the end. So I'd recommend not going over 10 minutes of resting. Then take a baking tray with a baking paper on it, and with a spoon, take a bit of the batter and pour it here. There we go. It's gonna flatten out. Okay, now don't freak out if you think it's too runny. It's supposed to be like that. And space the batter out a bit, but not too much, because they're not gonna spread too much. And also try to make them evenly sized so that they bake at the same time. And now we're gonna put them in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. And there we go. Take them out of the oven and let them rest a bit. For them to cool down. If they're still sticking to the baking paper, then they need some more time in the oven, so put them back in. They actually did end up spreading a bit too much here, but that's okay. Then for the final touch, add some flaky sea salt over it. It actually makes it taste really nice. And then put them in a nice plate. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you try it at home as well, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I am doing right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also watch this video here.